special for you. I am here today at the International Space Station Research and Development Conference, and they're going to be talking about what's going to be happening in low Earth orbit. And for you today, I'm going to have a preview of what the future looks in low Earth orbit. So I'm here at the ISS Research and Development Conference, and we're going to take you through a couple of things. Let's see who's here. We have NASA. They have a pretty cool event. They take your picture and then they actually put it on the International Space Station, and you see it there, and then you take a click picture of it, of you on the International Space Station. So I thought that was pretty good. Airbus is here. They are talking about their payload solutions. Also, Northrop Grumman has been talking about their space station, which they have parts already, if you can see there, that they're connecting to actually make their own space station, a platform for you to do stuff on. We have the Japanese doing their science. If you come over here, we have Leidos, and then we have Orbital Reef. Now the cool thing over here, they have an Oculus version of the inside of the Orbital Reef, and you can actually go inside with VR and see it all go all the way to the Dream Chaser, Blue Origin, and Boeing is here too with their capsule. And then here is the ISS National Laboratory. This is here who I'm coming to speak for the Research and Development Conference. And they brought the people who did the movie in VR. And word has it, it's just a rumor, that they're going to do it again. And if the rumors are correct, I'm not going to say anything about it, but we'll see it if they do. It's going to be an incredible experience. So down the other aisle, you can see we have Space Tango, we have Teledyne, and they're talking about their services that they can do on the International Space Station, including their glove box, which is pretty cool. You can actually put your hands in and play around and see what it's like. It broke. But then you can go in and turn the Rubik's Cube, which that's a tough one. Then we have Tech Masters and BioServe. So there you have it. That's what's happening at the International Space Station Research and Development Conference, which I'm going to speak at on STEM programs and using VR tools. I hope you like this. It's one of the specials that I can give to you, and it's a special this month, and you are seeing this first. Thank you for watching this video all the way through. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below. And if you really want to support me, please visit my Patreon page, which the link is down below.